Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin Dent, currently trading for $0.0007. Dent had a recent pump in the last 1 week. Is the bottom in for Dent right now in the bear market? We have seen Dent lose 82.8% of its value in 2022. With Dent start pumping to the upside in 2023, is this signs for what to come for Dent in the coming 1 year, or is this one final pump to the downside? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Dent US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at key levels where you should pay attention to for Dent in the bear market. We'll also be looking at Dent's performance against Bitcoin, Dent's performance against Ethereum, and guys, we'll take a look at Dent's market cap. We saw it rallying up in the last 1 week. Are we going to continue pumping to the moon, or are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town in 2023? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to crypto investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dent is currently down 82.8% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 week, we saw Dent pumping to the upside. Dent had more than a 30% pump to the upside. Right now, Dent is still up 14.3% in the last 1 week. Entering 2022 on a very high note, we have seen Dent dump to Goblin Town in 2022. Dent started the year up in the moon. After the bull run we had in 2021, we saw Dent entering 2022 with a lot of expectations, trading around the $0.0039 level. We have seen Dent dump to Goblin Town in 2022, dropping to as low as the $0.00055 level. Is the bottom in for Dent? Are we going to see Dent continue dumping to Goblin Town? We saw Dent pumping to the upside earlier this week, but guys, is that enough for us to say maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in? In the previous video, we talked about the line in the sand for Dent, and right now, Dent's at a crucial support level. If we see Dent breaking below the $0.00058 level, we might see Dent heading lower to Goblin Town. But guys, I believe we're closer to the bottom. At any point in time, Dent can bottom right now. In 2023, hopefully, we'll see Dent bottoming in the bear market. But guys, more importantly, let's not get carried away. If we see any pumping to the upside, we have seen Dent dump to Goblin Town. And as we was dumping, we have seen some pumps along the way in 2017, 2018, when Dent ended the bull run pumping more than 10,000% to the moon. We saw Dent first dump 99.35% from its all-time high in 491 days, and Dent deceived a lot of us. We had a pump to the upside, Dent rallied up 285% before that one final dump to the downside came, where we saw Dent dumping an additional 97%. In total, we saw Dent dump from the all-time high 99.94% in around 790 days. So in this bear market right now, as Dent is dumping to Goblin Town, two important things I'm putting in mind: that Dent can go way below 95% from its all-time high, and at the same time, Dent can spend around 798 days dumping to Goblin Town. Right now, from the all-time high Dent since in April 2021, we've seen Dent dumping for 635 days. If Dent is going to carry on and find the bottom at some point in time in 2023, repeating what we did in the previous bear market, we might see the bottom for Dent maybe coming around June 2023. But there's still hope for Dent in 2023. If we see Dent just pumping to the upside, maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in right now, and this is the start of something great. We saw Dent pump to as high as the $0.00086 region. That will be a very, very key level. We saw Dent pump that high before we ended 2022. So the Dent giving us clues for 2023. Maybe, just maybe, this will be the line in the sand. But if we see Dent pumping to higher prices in 2023, we should also pay close attention to what Dent's price will be doing when we get to the $0.0013 level to the $0.0016 level. This will be another crucial level for Dent, and we'll face heavy resistance at that level. But guys, if we keep dumping to Goblin Town, as I showed you guys how Dent did in the previous bear market, because there's always a possibility. If we see that kind of stuff happening in 2023 where Dent will rally up, a lot of people get bullish, thinking, you know what, the bull market is back. From the bottom here, would have seen Dent rally around 200%. Dent can still go down to Goblin Town, and if it's going down to Goblin Town, we have to be very careful. Even though we're holding Dent for the long term, even though we're hoping that Dent will get to new all-time highs in the future, there's always a possibility we can see Dent drop another 90%. A lot of altcoins have dumped really hard in the bear market. They might still continue dumping in 2023. Hopefully, we might see a bottom in 2023, but before that bottom coming, we might have one final dump to the downside. Even if you calculate from May 2019 when Dent was trading at the $0.00077 region before it dumped another 90%, we saw Dent dump 89% from there. If Dent is dumping 89% from where we're currently trading right now, we'll see Dent dropping to new all-time lows. So just remember, there's always that possibility. Even though millionaires are made in the crypto bear market, those people that will be profitable by the end of the next bull run are accumulating right now in the bear market. When you're buying these altcoins, you don't want to go all in. You want to be careful with your approach. You want to dollar cost average through the bear market. The bear market can be long and the bear market can be very, very painful. The last bear market took around 800 days. In this bear market, we've gone around 600 days. So we still have around 200 days for us to eclipse the period that it took us to finish dumping in the previous bear market. If we take a look at some details about Dent, in the last 1 year, we have seen Dent go from as high as $0.0041 to as low as $0.00057. With a market cap of $69 million, we have over 99 billion Dent tokens in circulation. And currently, over 209,000 people have Dent on their watch list. Dent is currently ranked 249 on CoinMarketCap. If you want to get some Dent, if you believe we're going to see Dent pumping to all-time highs in the future, you can get some Dent on Binance, on Kraken, on Qcoin, on Uniswap, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Altcoins are very, very dangerous in the bear market. You want to be careful with altcoins. They can keep dumping to gobbling town. If you take a look at Dent's performance against Bitcoin, we saw it rally in the ending phases of 2022. But guys, Dent is still very, very risky. We might see it continue dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin. We saw it rally from the May lows. We saw Dent rally up more than 72% against Bitcoin. Ultimately, we give back all those gains to the market. But we've seen Dent rally up to the upside against Bitcoin entering 2022. Are we going to see Dent pumping to the upside in 2022? I expect Dent to continue dumping to gobbling town. But ultimately, we'll find the bottom in 2023. Guys, if you are buying some Dent in 2023, be buying it with the long-term perspective. In the previous bull run, we saw Dent dumping to gobbling town. But what happened after Dent dumped 99.94% from its all-time high? We saw Dent rally up to the moon, going up more than 28,000% in around 384 days. A $1,000 investment in Dent on the 13th of March 2020 would have returned more than $283,000. This is how profitable altcoins are. All you have to do is you have to be patient and you have to be willing to buy when they are down in gobbling town. If you take a look at Dent's performance against Ethereum, similar to its performance against Bitcoin, the bull market, we saw it pumping to the moon. Right now in the bear market, it is dumping to gobbling town. You might be wondering, why is Dent dumping in the bear market? Guys, when people are scared in crypto, they run towards safety. So in the bear market, when people are scared, when there's extreme pessimism in the market, you see people dumping their altcoins for some Bitcoin, for some Ethereum, and that's why you see altcoins losing so much value against Bitcoin and Ethereum during the bear market. But in the bull market, when people are excited, when people are optimistic, when people are very greedy, that's when you see altcoins pumping to the moon, and that's when you saw Dent pumping to the moon against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I expect us to see those kind of pumps in the future, but right now we're going through the bear market, and if you want to enjoy the pumps in the bull run, you have to be willing to enjoy the dumps in the bear market. If you take a look at Dent's market cap currently at $69 million, we have seen Dent's market cap even drop to as low as the $57 million region. Guys, in 2023, if we see Dent dumping to gobbling town, key levels should pay attention to where Dent's market cap can get to. We might see it drop to the $31 million region. From where Dent's market cap is right now, we'll see Dent dropping an additional 50%. Altcoins are very, very dangerous. But at the same time, we can enter 2023 with Dent pumping to the upside. Even though I don't think we'll do anything crazy, maybe setting new all-time highs, I have strong beliefs we might see Dent market cap getting to that $178 million region. For where Dent market cap is right now, Dent market cap, we have to go up around 155% for us to get there. What will happen to the price of Dent if we see it pumping 155% to the moon? From where we're currently trading right now, if Dent is going up 155%, we're going to see Dent trading around the $0.0017 region. And there's heavy resistance for Dent there. Are we going to get there in 2023, or are we going to pump higher than that price in 2023? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.